3 days after Microsoft lost OpenAI exclusivity, OpenAI shipped on AWS. The same day, Amazon launched a desktop AI assistant called Quick. We'll cover Amazon's co-work moment, DeepSeek V4 shipping its full release, and what 3 Mag 7 earnings prints did and didn't move. Wednesday, April 29th. Let's begin. Amazon Quick, the third desktop AI assistant in 30 days. Yesterday, at What's Next with AWS, Amazon shipped 2 stories that read separately and land together. First, Amazon Quick, a proactive desktop assistant for macOS and Windows. Runs in the background, watches your apps, builds a personal knowledge graph from your sessions. Acts across email, Slack, Salesforce, Jira, Teams, Workspace, and 7 more integrations. Plus a free tier, no AWS account required. Sign up with Google, Apple, or GitHub. Massive distribution play. Second, same event. GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4, and OpenAI Codex land on Amazon Bedrock in limited preview. GA within weeks. Plus, Bedrock managed agents powered by OpenAI. AWS hosts production OpenAI agents inside customer VPCs with IAM and guardrails. The Microsoft exclusivity ended Monday. 3 days later, OpenAI is on AWS. The pricing ladder. Plus tier, $20 per user per month. Undercuts Microsoft Copilot's $30. Pro and Enterprise, $20 to $40 per seat, but with a hidden $250 per account infra fee that the marketing buries. Hacker News noticed within the first hour. The model question. What is Quick actually running? Amazon won't say. Quick connects publicly to Claude Code and to Kiro, Amazon's renamed Q developer. That points to Claude on Bedrock as the backbone, plus Amazon Nova for cheaper paths. With OpenAI on Bedrock the same day, Quick could route across Claude, Nova, and GPT 5.5 on the same platform. Amazon refused to confirm or deny on stage. That's deliberate. And the bigger picture. March 30th. Microsoft Co-work. April. Anthropic's Claude Co-work keeps expanding. April 28th. Amazon Quick. 3 desktop AI assistants in 30 days. All agentic. All watch your screen. All claim they're the AI that works the way you do. The differentiation now is distribution, Amazon's free tier, and routing. Amazon is the only one of the 3 that can host all 3 frontier model families on the same cloud. The signal to watch, not desktop seats. Free quick signups. Free with no AWS account is the most aggressive distribution move Amazon has made in years. DeepSeek V4. Full release today after the April 24th preview. Same architecture, 1.6 trillion parameters, 49 billion active, hybrid attention, 1 million token context, now stable. V4 Pro, $3.48 per million tokens output. V4 Flash, 28 cents. Running natively on Huawei's Ascend 950 supernodes. ByteDance, Tencent, and Alibaba placing fresh Ascend orders. Huawei targeting 750,000 950 PR units shipped this year. Same parallel stack story we covered yesterday. China is now shipping production frontier models on non-Nvidia silicon at scale. The version of decoupling that doesn't make headlines. It just ships on time. Anthropic. No new product today, but Goldman Sachs pulled Claude from its Hong Kong bankers. Strict reading of the contract, citing data security and US-China tension ahead of the Trump-Xi-May summit. Gemini and ChatGPT stay. First major bank to formally restrict Claude in a region. Enterprise gating just got geographic. Google Cloud, plus 63% to $20 billion for the quarter. Cleanest cloud growth number in the Mag 7. TPU-8i name-checked in the earnings call as the chip behind Gemini's 16 billion tokens per minute. And inside DeepMind, roughly 175 employees signed a letter to Sundar Pichai opposing the Pentagon Gemini contract. Internal pushback is back. Meta. 2026 Capex guide raised to $125 to $145 billion. $10 billion higher on both ends, citing component prices and data center costs. Stock fell about 6% after hours. Q1 revenue $56 billion, plus 33%. The number to watch isn't the beat, It's the spend trajectory. Microsoft Q3 FY26. AI revenue run rate hit $37 billion, up 123% year-on-year. Azure, plus 40%. Copilot, 20 million paid seats. Stock dipped 1% after hours. The OpenAI rewrite from Monday didn't dent the print, but the market read it as priced in. First number in months that didn't move the stock. Nvidia. No news today. Worth noting from yesterday, Nemotron 3 Nano Omni shipped, a multimodal model tuned for agentic workloads. Earnings, May 20th. Side note, every Chinese frontier model from this week is running on Huawei, not Nvidia. OpenAI today. Two legal lines converging. Day 2 of Musk versus Altman in Oakland. Musk on the stand pushing to oust Altman from the nonprofit board. And the Tumbler Ridge families filed a federal lawsuit, alleging OpenAI flagged the shooter as a credible threat 8 months prior, and stayed silent to protect IPO prep. Same day, both will outlast the news cycle. 3 desktop AI assistants in 30 days. 3 frontier Chinese models in 8 days. 3 Mag 7 earnings prints in 1 evening. The pace isn't slowing, and the moats are getting wider on both sides at once. Tomorrow, we watch what Quick's free tier signups actually look like. See you tomorrow.